Yo, what's up everybody? I hope you're having a great day, and in today's video we're going to do a quick little fitted unboxing for the Fear of God fitteds that dropped this past Friday. For those of you that aren't aware, and for my fitted fans out there, you might be aware of this, but the Fear of God and New Era collection dropped this past Friday. There was 3 unique colorways that came out this season. The first one was the green one, the second one was the orange one, and the third one was a combination of the two, which resembles the J-Tips collaborations. We also had a black fitted and also a navy fitted as well. Since my head is a little on the smaller side, being around 6 7/8 to about a size 7, and in Canada we unfortunately did not get all the sizes. On footlocker.ca we only had 7 1/8 and higher, so you can see why it was a little bit challenging for me. These hats pretty much dropped everywhere from Hat Club to lids.com, and also in local Foot Actions, Foot Lockers, and some Champ stores as well. Since this collection was on the pricier side, it did not sell out completely, so if you're still looking for a Fear of God fitted after watching this video, I'm sure you'll be able to go onto lids.com and find your size readily available. Maybe not in all the colorways that dropped, but you should be able to get your hands on a Fear of God fitted. That being said, I actually had to get mine from lids.com, and I did pay a steep price for it at around 119 Canadian dollars after shipping, duties, and all that good stuff that us Canadians have to deal with when trying to get these exclusive releases. If you're in the States, this fitted comes in around 65 USD plus applicable taxes to your state, and on the Canadian side it comes in around 85 Canadian dollars, and as I mentioned earlier, I had to pay 119 after all that conversion and good stuff. So without further ado, let's actually see what's in the box and what colorway I picked up, and then let's go over the sizing as well. Alright guys, I'm super excited for this. This is my first Fear of God fitted. I got the classic black one, and if you guys aren't aware, the Fear of God logo on these fitteds is actually inspired by the Detroit Tigers logo. So if you didn't know that, that's an interesting fact that you guys now are aware of. This is a classic black fitted that I want in my collection. I did not want the bright ones because they had the white button on top, and that's really not my style. I personally did not like that, so I went with the classic black fitted, and it has that classic green under brim. As you guys can see on the side over here, we have New Era embroidered. It is not your conventional New Era flag. It is actually written out entirely. As we go to the back of the fitted, you can see that we have a flat Batterman logo on the back. Nothing too special going on over here. And on the right panel of the hat, there is nothing. It is just a plain fitted. Inside, we have the Essentials by Fear of God tags. Then we have the New Era 50/50. We also have the sizing tags over here. And then finally, another one over here, which is a genuine MLB tag as well. So in total, you have 4 tags running along the inside of the fitted. Now, I don't know how well the camera is picking this up, but on the inside is one of my favorite features of these Fear of God fitteds, which is the beige sweatband. So it looks like it's already worn in. I know for all you fitted fans out there that have white sweatbands, you don't want to get the guts of your hat all sweaty from your forehead. So with these sweatbands, it actually looks like it's already worn in, so you don't have to worry about that compared to your conventional white sweatbands. And last but not least, we obviously have the Fear of God embroidery on the front of the hat, which is kind of the center of attention over here, and which is the main reason I picked up this fitted. I have a few pieces from the Fear of God collections, the Essentials one specifically, and I wanted the fitted to go along with it. My overall thoughts on the fitted are, it's a nice, simple, clean fitted. There's nothing too special about it besides the Fear of God logo on the front, which is one of the main reasons I picked it up. If you do not want to spend 65 USD or 85 Canadian dollars, or in my case, if you can't find your size on a Canadian website, you're spending 119 Canadian dollars. Just go with a Detroit Tigers fitted. It is very similar to the Fear of God Essentials fitted, as I mentioned earlier, and just get one with a classic green underbrim, and you're pretty much getting the entire look down. If you're looking for more cheaper alternatives to Essentials, then I have a whole video linked up there for you guys where you can see cheaper alternatives to Fear of God Essentials, get the look down without paying those prices. I've never had a Fear of God fitted before, and I have a few Essentials pieces, so I thought this would pair nicely with them, and this is going to be my last fitted pickup for a while. At least that's what I'm telling myself. I do end up doing a lot of reviews on fitted related content and other streetwear, so I probably will be picking one up in the near future, even though I keep telling myself I'm going to take a little bit of a break. Now, if you're interested in picking up this fitted, let's go over the sizing. As far as sizing goes, I recommend going true to size on these. I know in the past people have recommended sizing down, but with this collection, I do feel like going true to size is the right way to go. I picked up a 6 7/8 because when I curve the brim over here, it will fit me like a true size 7. And if you do not end up picking up the right size, I do have a video on how to shrink your fitted caps so you can get it down to the right size for you. As you can see, it fits very snug on my head now that the brim is still flat, but when I curve the brim, it looks a lot better and fits my head perfectly. Since it is a wool fitted, it will shrink down to the right size for me and adjust to my head shape. I do have a full video on how to curve your brim as well, which I will also link up for you guys. But before we end off this video, let's curve the brim and see how this fitted looks on my head. Before I actually curve the brim of my fitted, I think it's important to mention that I actually take all my stickers off. I personally like how clean it looks without any stickers on it. If you personally like to wear your sizing sticker and the MLB sticker, by all means go for it. I don't judge. But I do recommend you take off the pricing sticker. It doesn't look cool to wear how much you paid for a fitted on your hat. Take that one off at least, leave the other two on. It's your personal style, by all means go for it. As you guys can see, there's a nice clean curve in the fitted now. If you want to know how to curve the brim of your fitted, then check out the video I've linked up in the cards for you guys. It's one of my most viewed videos to date, and if you're new to this channel, that's actually how a lot of people found me. So check that video out, and there's a lot of helpful tips related to fitteds on my channel as well for you guys to check out. And as you can see, with the curve in place, it looks perfect on my head. And since it is a wool fitted, the more I wear it, it will mold to my specific head shape. And the best part is I don't have to worry about the sweatband too much since it has that vintage worn in look already. I don't have to worry about trying to hide sweat stains on this fitted over here. Alright, now that sums it up for the Fear of God fitted unboxing. I am truly happy to have this fitted in my collection, and if you wanted to add it to yours, I mentioned a few stores earlier and a few websites as well. This did not sell out, so it should still be sitting in stock on websites and also in stores. If you've made it this far in the video, I want to say thank you. We are so close to 5,000 subscribers, it truly means the world to me. And if you watched previous videos of mine, you might notice that the lighting is a little different from what it was before. That's because I was actually able to invest a little bit into this channel and buy proper studio lighting to make these videos look a little better. I'm still testing it out, so it's not perfect, and hopefully I can improve the audio quality as well in the videos to come. It's because of all of your support so far that this was even possible. It truly means the world to me. I love making content and I want to make it the best quality content possible, and it's because of all of your support that this is even possible today. So it really means the world to me, and I really want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I know it's kind of corny and kind of cheesy, but the truth is I am nothing without you guys. This is because of a collective effort of all of you that have subscribed, watched my videos, and shown support to me so far, and I can't wait to see how this channel grows in the future. And that sums it up for the video today, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.